Let's hear this inspiring message. Title is Trusting God, Overcoming Life's Uncertainties. Life is full of uncertainties. We face challenges, unknowns, and unexpected twists that can leave us feeling lost and uncertain. But as believers, we have a solid foundation to stand on, God's promise to guide and direct us. In this inspirational message, we'll explore the importance of trusting God in the midst of life's uncertainties. The reality of uncertainty. Uncertainty can be overwhelming. We want to know what's next, how things will turn out, and what the future holds. But the truth is, we can't always know. That's where faith comes in. Trusting God means acknowledging that He knows what's best for us, even when we don't. Trusting God's sovereignty. Trusting God requires surrendering our need for control. It means acknowledging that He's sovereign over every aspect of our lives. When we trust God, we can rest in the knowledge that He's working everything out for our good. That is from Romans chapter 8, verse 28. In the biblical examples, the Bible is full of examples of people who trusted God in the face of uncertainty. Like Abraham trusted God's promise of a son despite his old age. Joseph trusted God's plan even when he was sold into slavery. And Jesus trusted God's will even on the cross. This is a practical tips for trusting God. So, how can we trust God in our own lives? Number 1, pray. Bring your concerns and fears to God in prayer. 2, seek guidance. Read scripture and seek wise counsel. Number 3, focus on God's character. Remember His faithfulness and love. Number 4, let go of control. Surrender your need to know everything. Trusting God in uncertainty isn't always easy, but it's worth it. When we trust Him, we can experience peace, hope, and confidence. So let's choose to trust God even when we don't know what's next. May His promise to guide us be our rock and in uncertain times. Trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not on your own understanding. In all your ways acknowledge Him, and He will make straight your paths. Proverbs chapter 3 verses 5 to 6. May this message encourage you to trust God more deeply, even in the midst of life's uncertainties.